Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to wherever you're watching from. Welcome to today's video where, as you can see, Temu has done it yet again by sending me a massive package. They're actually sponsoring today's video. You can download Temu via the link in the description to claim a $100 coupon bundle to shop and save, so make sure you do that. But without further ado, let's get right into it. You can also use my search code, which is here on the screen, to claim the $100 coupon bundle, as well as up to 90% off, which is phenomenal because if you don't know, Temu has so many things on their website. Last time I did a video with them and I got a walking pad for a phenomenal price, and so when they reached out again, I was like, absolutely. So I picked up a bunch of different things. Honestly, the price is insane. You guys are not going to believe me when I tell you the prices for this, but everything that I got, I'm so excited to use. I have been sick for a week. If you're following me on Instagram, you would have known that I was pretty sick. This has just been in my room. I didn't want to like fully open everything without you guys. I got a bit of everything. You can see at the top is clothes, but I do have like accessories, nail tools as well, a bunch of other stuff too. They have so many things on their website, but this is just the things I found this time that I was really excited to get. First thing I picked up is this textured tie back tube top, which this is so cute. It looked so pretty online. Definitely did not disappoint in person either. It's a little hard to show just holding up like this, but this is so cute. Absolutely loved it. You will see it in the try on. And also, I just want to say I picked up around like 10 to 15 items for under $200, so that is just mind-blowing to me, especially because the quality is really good. So this is the tube top. It does have like a sticky adhesive at the top, so it doesn't slide down, sticks to your body without it being like the sticky material. It's just like a silicone kind of adhesive material. I picked this up in a size small. The original price is $8.09, but if you use my coupon code, you can pick it up for under $1, which again, crazy. I know this sounds ridiculous, but it's so good, and I just love the style of this. I love how it like poofs out at the bottom, but it's still very flattering, and I actually think I might wear this to a concert that Pablo and I are going to on Thursday. I think this is either going up on Monday or Wednesday, but Thursday I'm going to the Christian Nodal concert here in Toronto with him, and I am so excited. But I think this might be an outfit option. I do have another piece that I'll show you to go along with that. Another clothing item that I got, this just looked so pretty on the website. I wanted to try it out. Not typically a pink girl, if you know, but this just looked so cute online and it did not disappoint either, and it's not too itchy. It's like a more smooth material, and it's just really cute in my opinion. For now, for fall, we've got the turtleneck, which of course you can just roll down to make it more of a mock neck if you wanted it like that. Long sleeves, tight at the top, poofs out at the bottom. This is the cable knit turtleneck solid dress, retails for $15.09, but again, right now you can get it for $1.72. It's also not too long and not too short either, so that is something to keep in mind. I am a 5'4" for reference. Next up, we have another dress, which this one I kept in the bag. This is the cozy cable knit v-neck sweater dress in this like off-white kind of cream color. Again, it does have little pattern detailing to it, and then has some little detail on the sleeve as well. This one is $16.59 original, but again, you can get it for under $2 with my coupon bundle. Comes in 3 sizes: small, medium, and large. The last sweater dress that I picked up, as you can see, I'm really into sweater dresses right now for fall, is this one, which this is, first of all, such a pretty gray color. Love it. And then I love the button detailing. This is the stylish v-neck button decor sweater dress, originally $8.99. And again, under $1 right now. Next up, I've got a cardigan that, to be honest, confused me at first because I saw it and I was like, is this a sweater? Did they forget to put like a neck hole? I don't know if you guys will be able to see, but this is what it looks like from afar. This is open front batwing sleeve cardigan, and you are seeing right now how to wear it. So I was so confused, but my mom was actually the one to figure it out. She was like, no, this is how you wear it. And it makes sense, but at first I was like so confused over it, but it is so cozy. Like the sweater material is definitely like the cozy, non-itchy material, and it's just great. I love it. And it retails for $16.53. Again, these prices are in Canadian, so USD they are going to be a little bit cheaper. This is the last clothing item that I got. I do have one more accessory that I can wear, which super exciting because I'm probably going to wear this on Thursday to the concert. I picked up a cowboy hat, which they had a lot of different ones to choose from, but I just wanted something a little bit simple with a little bit of sparkle, and that's exactly what I found on Temu, and I am so excited. But this is it. You can see the sparkle. During the concert, when the lights like hit it, you'll obviously see the sparkle in the crowd. I got a white one. I had a black one from last time, but picked it up in a white to match my cowboy boots that I have, and also the first shirt that I showed you guys. I think it'll look cute, so fun. And Pablo does have like a cream one as well that he's probably going to wear, but this is the one I picked up. Again, they have so many different ones for men, women. If you want a little bit of bedazzle, if you want like feathers, anything like that, Temu has a lot of them. So this is just the one that I chose. Cowboy hat is $8.49, but you can get it for 84 cents. All right, next thing, I stuck a bunch of different accessories in this bag just to keep everything kind of organized. First thing that I pick up, I actually love picking these up from Temu because they are super affordable and good quality, and these are staples for when Pablo and I travel. And if you know, we do travel quite often. These are travel bottle sets, so I got two different kinds. This is usually the one that I pick up. I love it. It's clear, as you can see, so you're able to see all the liquids that you have inside of it. I personally know my liquids off by heart, like just looking at them. I know which one is my cleanser, my cream, anything like that. I can differentiate between the different colors of the things that I use, so I do like getting this one. But I also saw this one and I wanted to just try this one. It does come with a bit of different tubes. Even at the dollar store, they're more expensive than this. Here you can get them for 30 cents each. Another thing that's actually great to have, these are little travel fans. Like, look how tiny this is, first of all, like compared to my hand. This right here is a little fan, which all you have to do, twist it up and push the button. This one has two different speeds right when you turn it on, and then if you click it again, hoping you can hear the difference, but it is actually really great, especially if you're going to be traveling a lot, walking outside in hot places. This is great. It also is, of course, rechargeable, so you can just plug it in and recharge it. Not sure how long the battery lasts, but obviously if you use it at the lower setting, it will last longer than the high setting. We'll have to pick up a second one, so Pablo and I don't have to share one, but this is just great, compact little fan. That full price is only $6.99 and under $1. Don't worry, we're not done, but we are getting close to the finish. Next up, another staple and ride or die for me are these vacuum sealed bags as well. So these come individually packaged. These are a game changer, a must, a staple, my ride or die, especially if you are somebody like me that travels with just a carry-on. These will save you so much space, and you will just be so surprised at how well that you can just stuff all your clothes in there and then just take all the air out. This bag is thick, it's nice. It also even comes with the little piece to seal it, so you just attach it over here and then you open it up, you fill everything in, and when you want to close it, this just makes it a lot easier to go ahead and just easily squish it down and close it and get all the air out. So I was amazed by this, and 4 of them are only $6.99. But you already know you save more with my coupon button. Last thing that I got that's travel related are these little tags, which Pablo and I don't have these. Sometimes we do check in our bags, most of the times we don't. However, there have been times where they stop us at the gate and are just like, hey, yours are a little too big, do you just want to check them in? And they'll kind of just take it from us and check it in. So I figured to get cute little tags, because we don't have them, and Pablo and I just got new luggage, which is a brand that's a little bit more common. So right now we have bags that are a little different, not everybody has, but now the ones that we do have that we're going to start traveling with are a little more common. So I just want to make sure that we're able to differentiate ours from somebody else's in case we have to check them in for whatever reason. I picked up 2 separate bundles, so they both came with 2 under $1, you already know. And this one says, and so the adventure begins, which this one matches Pablo's new luggage perfectly. They're like a leather material, so nice, and I love the gold detailing, the little heart, the plain. I just loved everything about it. And then on the side, of course, you will have all your information. I think we're just going to put an email. We're not going to put our full information, name, address, phone, email. We might just put an email. Fingers crossed our luggages that never get lost, but if they do, they can contact us via email. And then it just has this little button up. Super simple, easy, cute little luggage tag. And of course I saw this bundle as well. It has the 8. Again, like I mentioned, my new luggage is pink, so thought this would also be something cute. Now moving on to nail supplies that I got. I think there's about 3 or 4 more things and then we're done, which can you guys believe we are still under $200? Yeah, mind-blowing. So you would have seen this in my other Temu haul that I got. Absolutely love these. These are like little nail swatches. As I mentioned in my previous video, my mom and I do our nails a lot at home. We don't go to the salon to get them done, and I can't believe I never thought to do this sooner because we had so many polishes. This is what it looks like. Would be nice if each of them came with at least like 2 or 3 of the little circle hooks to attach them. That is the reason I got a second one. I didn't necessarily need more of the little swatch pieces themselves. It was more of the little hooks that I needed. These stickers, as you can see, which are numbered, come in the bundle. So it comes with 2 sticker packs, the same sticker, so you will be able to put the number on the swatch and then put the number on the bottom of the bottle, so you obviously know which one is which. Just a game changer. I seriously can't believe it took me this long to realize that I needed them in my life. And next up, I actually got a bag of charms for nails. They have so many to choose from, but these are just the ones that I chose. They come with little stars, moons, hearts, everything. I just think it is so cute. I'm not going to pull out every single one, but it comes with a star, also has moon, and a heart as well. So it does come with different sizes, but this is like the biggest size that comes in the pack. And then also everything that's kind of in pink also comes in white as well. So it is a phenomenal pack. I think it probably has like 500 pieces if I'm not mistaken. There's just so many fun things in that little package, but like I said, I've just been sick, so I haven't had time to play around with that. But I also did pick up another nail lamp, which again, you would have seen this in the other Temu haul. I got one for my mom, and I did mention that I had another one at home, but after using the one that Temu sent us, I absolutely love that one, and I do think it's better quality than the one that I currently had, so figured this was a great opportunity to just get a second one as well. Obviously it comes with a little charger, and then the nail lamp itself is this one, so it's the exact same one as last time. I truly love this. It does retail for $13.39, but again, you can get it for under $2, which amazing. I love it. Quality is great. It does come with different buttons, obviously, just a typical nail lamp, but it does work really well, and like I said, it does work better than the one that I had at home. And last but absolutely not least, I think this is probably the greatest find on Temu thus far. Actually, the walking tower is pretty good, but price wise and for what it is, this I think takes the cake, because this is a tripod, like a heavy duty tripod, a really good one. I had one, and honestly, between all the traveling that Pablo and I have been doing, I just don't necessarily know where it is. Like Pablo might have it somewhere in like his house or his luggages, or I might have it somewhere in my house in my luggages. I just can't remember, or we accidentally left it somewhere. There's no harm in trying a Temu tripod because they have not failed me yet, and if this is gonna be a fail, then this is gonna be a fail, but at least we tried. So on Temu, full price is $32.99, but you already know, under $5, you know what to do. Under $5. Are you kidding me? Heavy duty tripod. Now this is for my camera. I can't show you my camera right now because you guys are recording on it right now, but this is insane tripod, like absolutely crazy. And I did choose the orange color just so it's a little bit brighter, but they do have other colors to choose from, but I just figured so that way nobody would like crash into it if we ever use it out and about, anything like that. So it has the legs, which as you can see rotate 360 degrees, so in case sometimes if you take a picture outside and the soil isn't flat, maybe it's on a hill, anything like that, make sure the foot of the tripod is adjusted so the camera is not all wonky, that it's not going to fall, anything like that. And then it does snap. You can see that it does extend a lot too, so this is a pretty heavy duty tripod, and I'm just so insanely shocked that this is $5. And even the handles come with padded like sponge, as you can see. Unbelievable. But that is everything that I got this time on Temu. Make sure to download Temu using the link in the description for your $100 coupon bundle, and you get to save a lot for amazing things. That is everything that I chose. Shout out to Temu for sponsoring today's video, and to you guys for watching today's video. If you're not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!